Hi, friends. Hi, everybody. Today I'm here before you. I'm going to do a new reading for you. What doors are going to open for you now? This is the title of the reading. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that it'll encourage me to make more such videos for you. And if there are any suggestions or ideas that you think I might need, please do leave them in the comment section below. So friends, here there are three piles. These are pre-shuffled cards, so you just need to pick a pile today. There are all key cards. So this is one green color key. This is key from another deck, and this is another key. So pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. I would like you to choose a deck and then we can start with the reading. Please take a moment, you can pause the video and choose your deck accordingly. So pile 1, let's begin with your reading. And before I can begin with the reading, guys, I'd like to tell you that like the last video, I would like you to think of a question or whatever. Maybe it can be a yes or no or anything, and I will ask the answers at the end of the reading from this oracle book. So think of your question beforehand so we can ask the answers once we're done with the reading. Okay. So you have Judgment, you have the Page of Cups, and you have the Empress. I hope you can see the cards, guys. Okay. And these two cards we'll open as we go. So pile 1, your reading is very positive. I see that there is some kind of an awakening that is coming for you people. You will finally wake up to maybe an idea or a business opportunity that is coming your way. And it can also be that a friend of yours might just help you in some way. It can be a man or it can be a woman, but they will help you with this spiritual awakening, or a mental awakening. You will suddenly rise up and think that okay, this is what I need to do now. And what the cards are telling me is that it's going to be creative in nature. It can be that you are taking up a hobby, or it can be that your talents or your skills will require you to take up something which is very creative, and that creative venture is going to bring you abundance. As you can see in the abundance card, the Empress card is coming. So guys, I would like you to sit down and think and reflect upon what it is that you want to do. There is something inside you that wants to do something, and you will awaken to that. You will awaken very soon to that. And there is probably a new idea that you want to put into uh, getting done, or you wanted to materialize somehow. And with the help of a friend, maybe you will receive some kind of help in realizing this idea of yours. There is definitely abundance coming, and it may be a little slow because the Empress is a little slow card. So there might be some kind of slow but sure success is coming your way. And I can also see with the Ship, and like I was talking about the friend, the Dog card has come. So the dog stands for a friend and for friendships. So You will definitely meet with your friend and you will realize this whole concept of this creative idea that is coming to you. And with the ship, I feel that you might have to travel for this. You'll explore more ideas, you will open up to more ideas and more solutions. You will have that kind of ideas and solutions, and you will definitely move on. You are meeting with somebody, you might want to meet with a few people before you can get on with this idea of yours. And definitely you might just go into partnership with somebody. It can be a friend, it can be a relative, and it is definitely going to bring you short success. Okay, let's see these cards. If you put up a fight for it, the warrior spirit. So guys, you have to awaken yourself. See, sitting nothing is going to happen. You will have to definitely move yourself. You will have to get up. That awakening is coming. It's time to wake up and fulfill your deepest dreams and desires. So now is the time. This is the door that is opening for you, and it is telling you that, okay, come open me, so that you can fulfill your deepest desires. You will have to put up a fight for it. See, for anything new to begin, like I said, it will be a little slow, but it will definitely be sure. So you need to wake up and you need to put up a fight for it. Probably you have to fight with yourself that, okay, you need to stop procrastinating, so you can move further. You can pull yourself together and you can start with whatever you want to realize, whatever dream you want to realize with. Follow your hidden desires. This couldn't be more accurate, guys. The judgment card and this, both are saying follow your deepest desires, fulfill your deepest desires, follow your hidden desires with the honeysuckle ogum. So, guys, you need to awaken and you need to fulfill your deepest desire. And with this key card, I feel that you are getting an opportunity. The universe is giving you this opportunity to wake up and fulfill your deepest desires now. With the key card over here, I hope you guys can see properly. Okay. You have the solution. A solution is definitely coming for you, people. And you need to just, all that you need to do is just wake up, just move yourself, stop procrastinating, and start manifesting your dreams and desires. Okay, the third Ogum says that at a meeting, the issue will be clearer resolved. What did I say? The meeting over here refers to this. The garden, you will be meeting with somebody, maybe a council of people, or maybe a group of friends, or maybe some kind of a meeting where you will definitely find a solution. Okay, let's see what advice we have. The Tower card, I surrender and know how to go forward. So you will know, guys, how you need to go forward. You actually know exactly how to go forward, but you are just not getting yourself to get up and move forward. You need to start realizing, start materializing that idea, that dream, or that desire you had. Now is the time. The universe is telling you, now is the time. I trust myself to see the truth. See the truth. The universe is giving you, it might even give you some options. With the 7 of Cups, I feel you're going to get some options, and you will know how to discern from what is in front of you. So you will know which option you need to take, or which alternative, which idea you must pick out. You probably you know for sure. It is just that you are just waiting for something, and I don't know what. But now is not the time to wait. Now is the time to wake up and move yourself, so that you can realize your deepest dreams and desires. The universe is giving you a green signal that, okay, now come and explore the opportunity that I am sending towards you. So, pile 3, this was your reading. So, I hope you have asked the question, whichever you need to answer, whichever you need an answer to. So, let's see. Okay. What is the answer to pile one's question? 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 There. Virgo, the sign of the Virgin, suggests you pace yourself, you will get there. So, guys, you need to at least start pacing yourself, at least start moving. You will definitely get there. And even the oracle has told us the same thing, that you will get there. You just need to pace yourself, you just need to move, just have the courage to, just go and grab this opportunity that the universe is sending towards you, right? So, pile 1, this was your reading. I hope it resonated with you. Please give me some comments if it does. And it's a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with you, but whatever, keep whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Bye, see you in the next reading. Hi, pile 2. This is the pile that you have chosen. It's a beautiful key card. We can see it's a key in the dragon's egg. So yeah, this is a beautiful card. And pile 2, before we can start with the reading, I would like to tell you, like before, I would like you to ask a question, and at the end of the reading I will open the book for the oracle book for your answers, right? Okay, so let's begin with your reading. Okay. So, pile 2, I feel that you are still attached to the past. Something in the past that has happened where you are still hanging on to something. Maybe you have, undergone some kind of a loss of some kind, and you are still attached to it. You need to move on in order to find happiness, you know, and that attachment, it blocks your progress. That attachment is blocking your progress. It can be that you have had to face some kind of deception, or maybe a loss. You don't trust. You need to start trusting again. You don't trust the process. You feel that you are going to be jilted again. You are going to be deceived again. So right now you're feeling hopeless. You're feeling as though nothing is going to happen. You feel very helpless at the moment. But then, you know what? The 10 of Cups is saying that only after you move on, only after you detach yourself from this particular past situation, will you be able to move on. So this is the key. This is the key of moving on. This is your answer. You need to move on from the particular past hurt or the attachment that you've had. The 4 of Pentacles, the 4 of Pentacles means that you are so attached to something in the past that happened, or maybe in the present, that you are not willing to accept the opportunities that are coming towards you in the present time. And only when you let go yourself, you are being very rigid right now. You don't have to be rigid. You need to be a little more flexible, and you need to start trusting again, because only if you start trusting again will you be able to move on. And once you move on, you will find that love and happiness. Because the 10 of Cups is showing up, it means, I mean, 2 cup cards. So I feel that this is a relationship issue. I feel that, in the past you have been heartbroken, where you need to move on from. You need to it's over and done with that particular relationship. You are heartbroken, you were helpless, you were jilted maybe in love, but you need to move on now. Now is the time. It's like the universe is saying enough is enough now. You get yourself up and you move on, because you are definitely going to find happiness. Okay, let's see these cards now. Beautiful cards. So the dog, the lilies, and the sun. So I feel, friends, a friend of yours will help you in moving forward. A friend, particularly a male friend, is going to help you in moving forward from this situation that you are in right now. The attachments that you have, a friend of yours is going to help you in breaking that situation and moving towards the sun. There is definitely a solution coming for you. So you just need to, you know, gather up all your courage, make up your mind, and you need to mentally move on from this situation. Because if you don't move on from the situation, you are not going to find the sun. You're sitting in, a shade of clouds right now, and you need to move on. You need to see the sun. There will be, with the lilies, I feel there is a business proposition coming up for some of you. A friend of yours might bring you a business proposition. There maybe an elderly from the family might just give you a suggestion. Some kind of support is coming for you. Definitely, I have two support cards here. In fact, three. All three of them are saying that you are going to get the support that you need in order to move on. Some of you might have faced losses in the past, maybe some material losses with the Four of Pentacles, but you need to put that to rest now. And you need to, you know, tell yourself that, okay, I'm going to move on now. You have to move on. Don't let the negativity of the situation bog you down in such a way that you cannot see the light, you cannot see the sun. The sun and the 10 of cups is telling me that you are definitely going to find happiness somewhere. Oh, but only if you move on, only if you detach yourself from the past that is coming towards you. Don't let your past haunt you in any which way, because if you do, you will not be able to see what the universe has to offer for you in the future. The norms and fate are unable to tell you at the time. It may be painful at the moment. Let it stir your passion. So what here, these cards, the rune cards, are telling me that it may be painful for you to move on. Obviously, if you were so attached, attachment means that you are susceptible to pain. So when you choose to move on, there will definitely be pain. But then the pain is momentary. The pain is temporary. Pain is very necessary if you need to move on. If you don't feel that pain, that means you haven't moved on. You have to let yourself go through that catharsis so that you can move on. Let it stir your passion. The Sogam is telling us that, okay, a new relationship is coming your way, guys. All those who had a breakup or are looking for a relationship, with these three cards, I feel that, there is a relationship that is coming for you, and it is definitely going to stir your passion. These two cards are the passion cards. The lilies also suggest that, you are going to be in a passionate relationship. With the dog card at the side of it, it says that this is going to be a very passionate relationship. But in order for that to happen, you need to move on. Okay, let's see your guidance cards. Five of Pentacles. I am supported and never alone. Two of Wands. I focus on what I want and make it happen. So guys, I think it's very clear. You are supported. You will get the support of this person. You will get the support of maybe a male friend or a male acquaintance. It can be a male relative. It can be somebody who's going to help you pull yourself out of the situation and move on. You have to move on because you're supported, you're not alone. The universe is telling you through these cards that okay, you are not alone anymore. And focus on what I want and make it happen. So focus on what you want. But for that, you need to mentally make yourself strong and tell yourself that I am going to move on now. You have to move on. The universe is saying that now is the time that you need to move on from. You need to move on from all the past, all the negativity, all the toxicity that was there in the past, and move on towards a happier and more fulfilling life. Okay, so pile 2, let's see what question you asked and what answers we are getting from this. Okay, what is the answer to pile two's question? What is the answer to pile two's question? What is the answer to pile two's question? The image in the crystal ball warns you to proceed with caution. So even the crystal ball is saying that you need to proceed, but you need to proceed with caution. Don't don't this time when you move on, don't let anybody talk you into something which is not in your favor. It is telling you that you proceed. It is time for you to proceed now. But don't, you must have your wits with you. Use your wits. And definitely everything is going to be good for you. Everything is going to come to the realization of what you always wanted. Right? So this was your reading pile 2, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hi pile 3. So this is the card that you chose. It's from the Cherry and Lilac Lenormand deck. So this is the Lilac card, and this is a beautiful key. So let's see what doors are opening for you. And before I can begin, I would like to tell you that please ask a question so I can see the answer in at the end of the reading from this oracle book. Think of your question, and then at the end of the reading, I'll open the book for you. Okay, let's see what's coming for pile 3. Okay. Pile 3, I feel that you were deceived in the past. You know, a card of dishonesty has come. You were deceived in the past, especially when money was concerned. Maybe somebody deceived you for your money, and or probably borrowed some kind of money and never gave it back to you. So now the cards are telling us that that money is definitely going to be recovered soon. There are new profitable ventures that are coming your way. That that whatever this dishonesty situation was in the past or is in the present, you the cards are telling you that now is the time that you might just, you know, think of some future plans, and your money will be recovered, the loss will be recovered. Maybe you invest somewhere else, or maybe you think of an idea where you can, you know, recover that loss that has happened for you. I mean, you are creative, and you are going to create your own magic. You are going to create your own situation where you will find new profitable ventures. So new profitable ventures are coming for you. The door that is opening for you is that of future plans. You are planning for the future, and that's a very good thing. But you need to proceed with caution. It's the right direction. You need to be a little more cautious. Just take it a little easy. Don't rush into anything, and you will definitely make the right choice. Yes. So even these cards are telling us that you have had a conflict regarding money. There has been friction in your life where money was concerned, and now you that particular situation has made you wise enough to take the right direction. The right, like I was telling you, be cautious before proceeding further. So now these the crossroads card is telling me that you will have maybe two opportunities that are coming your way, or you are probably thinking of two ideas that you want to materialize, or some plans that you have. You might just have two of them, especially where investing money is concerned. So you will make the right decision. You just need to trust yourself. The magician card is saying that you need to trust yourself and you trust your intuition, where making the decision is concerned. Make your decision and stick with it. You will know that it's the right decision. With these two cards, I feel that there are two options that you will have. So these two options, these are related to money. These are related to some kind of material venture, some kind of money venture that you will need to choose from. Maybe you're planning to invest. So whatever it is, you will make the right choice. And for those of you who are thinking that you are waiting for somebody to enter their life, in a love situation, so I feel your Knight of Pentacles is coming. Again, there might just be two proposals coming for you. People who are waiting for a proposal, or maybe waiting for an invitation, or waiting to get married. I feel that there are going to be two options for you. One is the Knight of Pentacles, and one is maybe someone else. It can be another businessman, I would see. And you might have to make a decision. You are going to come at a mighty crossroads over here, guys. So please bear with me and listen to me carefully, that you will have to choose. You cannot have both of them. You cannot have both the plans, or you cannot have everything. You have to choose the right direction. You have to choose the right person, maybe. And you have the capability, you have the intuition to choose the right decision and the right person. Where a relationship is concerned, I feel that this relationship is going to be the future relationship that is coming for you. For all those who had relationship on their mind, this is going to be a very passionate relationship. It's going to be your sex life is going to be really good. Your chemistry is going to be excellent. So whatever it is, the right decision you need to make, you need to trust your intuition, whether this is the right partner for you or not. That is definitely happening. The relationship is going to be very strong. It's going to be very fulfilling, I would say. So let's see what the other cards have to say. Use your imagination and intuition, just exactly what I was telling you guys. Great joy and happiness is coming your way. Keep your wits about you and you will not be deceived. So the cards are really clear over here. Use your imagination and intuition, like I told you. Make a decision, and you just know in yourself that okay, this decision that I'm making is the right one. And you will know that it is the right decision for you. Great joy and happiness is coming your way. The Geomancy card is saying that, and the Ogum card says that keep your wits about you and you will. So, guys, this is what you need to know right now, that great joy and happiness is coming your way. That is, if you release, I release myself from past inflicted binds. I find clarity through calm. So, the Temperance card is saying that you need to keep yourself balanced. You need to let go of all the frustrations that were holding you, that were binding you in some way. I release myself from self inflicted binds. Release yourself from these self inflicted binds, and you will be able to see very clearly what you need to do. I find clarity through calm. You will find the clarity and you will find the courage to, move on and materialize your dreams. Whatever plans you have are going to come to fruition very soon. Okay, so now pile 3, let's see what the oracle book has to say for you. What is the answer to pile 3's question? What is the answer to pile 3's question? What is the answer to pile 3's question? The tea leaves have formed the shape of a kite. Set your sights even higher. So, guys, you need to set your sights higher. Very apt answer. You can achieve it. You can do it. You have many talents and skills. Like a magician, you can create anything that you wish. Set your sights higher, guys. Don't let the frustration bind you. You need to break the chains now. The universe is saying that you need to break the chains. So, pile 3, this was your reading. I hope it resonated with you. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so that I am encouraged to make more such videos for you. Thanks. Bye.